Entry-level smartphone naman ang pag-uusapan natin today, guys. And this is the vivo T1x. And this one, sabi ni Vivo, meron siyang strong performance. And I'm really intrigued ko, ano nga ba kayang gawin itong phone na ito? And by the way, guys, this phone is being priced at 8,999. And gusto natin malaman kung ano nga bang kakayahan nito. Tara, unbox tayo. So, hi guys! Ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. This is the vivo T1x with a 4 gigs of RAM and a 64 gigs of storage. And it's being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. And upon looking sa box is very simple lang kanyang box. Okay? So, i-unbox muna natin. And here are some quick specs nito vivo T1x. Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, 1080p na ultra clear ang kanyang display, 50MP na main triple camera lens, and of course 5,000 mAh of battery supporting up to 18 watts of fast charge. And kita natin seal pa tong unit. Babalatan ko right here in front of you. And this is my trusty blade na matagal nyo nang hindi nakikita dito sa aking channel. So, gagamitin natin ulit. Hati muna natin. Yan, dahan-dahan lang para hindi masira. Ayun. The unboxing experience is always the best one. Okay? Lalo dito sa aking channel. I love unboxing things. Lalo na pagtanggal ng mga plastic, no? The experience is really nice. So, yeah. Okay? So, lalagay lang natin siya dito sa tabi. And ang bubungad sa atin is isang sleeve na nakasulat Vivo. And upon pulling out, makita natin there's some documentation over here. And of course, warranty card. Oops. It's a quick start guide and warranty card. And of course, meron siyang jelly case na clear. Clear na clear. Malambot siya, no? Yan. So, lagyan muna natin sa tabi. And of course, the phone itself, nandito, bubungad sa atin. So, ilalabas ko lang muna siya, no? And ipupull out ko lang to sa sleeve. So, ilalabas lang natin siya ngayon sa kanyang sleeve. This is the T1x. And it looks kind of premium. Pag tinamaan siya ng ilaw, kita natin para medyo may pagka-gradient, no? Mas light color dito down to the darker color. So, gradient ang tawag natin dyan, which is pretty nice. And ang color na hawak ko today is the Gravity Black. Before natin i-boot up, tingnan muna natin other things inside. There's a USB Type-C cable, 18 watts of fast charger, and kanyang panundot. So, pag-usapan muna natin the things surrounding this phone. Sa ilalim, meron siyang audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang loudspeaker. On this side, considering it's a budget phone, meron siyang fingerprint scanner / power button. It's not bad. And of course, ang kanyang volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, ang kanyang SIM tray. And pag sundot natin, ito makikita natin triple card slot, 2 nano SIM, and of course, micro USB expansion. Huwag niyo na itanong sa akin kung 5G to dahil hindi siya 5G. 4G lang siya. Kabilang side, pretty clean. Ang kanyang camera is a 50MP na triple camera setup. May LED flash. The Vivo logo is under here. And of course, ang kanyang 8MP na front-facing camera. So, boot up tayo. So, isa-set up natin tong phone na ito right in front of you. And I'll be giving you my quick first impression nitong phone na ito. And on a separate video, tsaka na natin gagawin ang full review nitong vivo T1x. So, start tayo. Philippines, check mo lang user agreement. Yes ka lang sa privacy terms. Oo ka lang sa e-warranty. Ang daming tanong. Agree ka na lang. Then, mag-connect tayo sa Wi-Fi. Connect lang natin sa Wi-Fi after mo enter yung password. Then, tutuloy na siya mag-isa. Pagdating dito, it depends sa inyo kung gusto nyo i-copy o hindi. Ako, don't copy muna. Then, i-enter mo ang iyong credentials ng Google. Then, after mo mag-enter ng password, sarili niya siya gagalaw. Pagdating naman dito sa security, pwede mo i-set ang screen lock, ang fingerprint scanner, and of course, ang face. So, it depends sa inyo. Ako, for the meantime, isi-skip ko muna siya. So, ako, wala naman ako i-import. So, skip lang ako. So, it's up to you guys kung gusto nyo i-install lahat ng mga to. But for me, skip din muna ako. So right now, tapos na tayo mag-setup. It's already running FunTouch OS. Congratulations, your phone is ready. So, gamitin na natin. Use now. So, kita natin, no? Ang ganda ng kanyang wallpaper. May pagka-pastel color. So, that's why probably itong backdrop ko is pastel color din just to match yung wallpaper niya, no? And, yeah. So, kita natin. It's really nice. Very simple lang ang kanyang wallpaper. I love it, no? So, dropping down, pwede naman natin adjust a little bit brighter dito. Then, of course, taking a quick look, I can see na yung bezel niya is hindi siya ganun kakapal, no? So, roughly this one, sabi ni Vivo, it has a 90% screen-to-body ratio. So, meaning na 90%, almost halos bezel-less na siya. Pero pansin ko, ang ilalim niya, no, medyo hindi ganun kanipis pa rin ang kanyang baba. And sa ibabaw, kita natin, still using a teardrop notch. 2022 na. Checking some settings, pwede natin mag-drop down. And let's just turn on dark mode. Yan, so na-apply na dark mode. Looks a lot better. And it conserves a little bit more energy as compared sa regular mode. So, tingnan natin ang brightness. So, these are the settings na pwede magkalikot. So, this one is running FunTouch OS na 12, version 12. And it's already having a Snapdragon 680. Then, meron siyang 4 gigs of RAM, which kaya ma-expand ng additional 1 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. And from time to time, don't forget to check sa system update dahil importante na updated ka sa OS para very optimal ang performance ng iyong phone. Now, Snapdragon 680, alam natin, it's a very power-efficient chip. Swiping left and right, smooth naman siya. Wala naman naging problem dahil hindi siya 90 Hz, 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. This one is just simply a 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, probably one thing that I noticed dito is quite magaan tong phone na ito. The design is quite good, saktong-sakto sa aking kamay. And I love the feel dito. And sa likod, it's quite good ang feel dahil matte finish siya. Hindi siya fingerprint magnet. Though if you want to customize yung mga widgets mo, just pinch it lang and add some widgets. Ang dami mong widgets na pwede idagdag. So just say, gusto mo i-add lang ito. Hold and drag to home screen. Let's say, gusto mo ilagay lang to. Ganun lang. Ganun kasimple lang. Meron ka ng post-it dito sa home screen mo and pwede mo siya i-edit anytime you want. Palitan mo lang. Just type in something. So, binago ko ang text, kita natin, you can see me. Ayos, di ba? Save. Now, itong phone na ito sa likod, I'll be taking some shots in a few days. And it has a 50MP na main camera sensor, 2MP na depth sensor, and 2MP na macro lens. And sa harap, meron siya 8MP na front selfie shooter na I think should be able to take in some nice photo given na magandang yung lightings. There shouldn't be really much of a problem. Now, one thing na siguro gustong-gusto ko rin dito sa phone nito, even though na magaan siya, it still has 5,000 mAh of battery inside and it can support up to 18 watts of fast charging. 18 watts, it's not the fastest, but given ang yung price point is 8,999, I couldn't really much complain. And I heard that the phone nito has a built-in multi-turbo 5.0. And I believe that yung multi-turbo 5.0 would be able to give you a better experience pagdating sa gaming and some other apps na gusto mong gamitin na medyo power hungry. So expect a gaming review on my next video. So upon opening the camera, you can see that the photo, naka-off ang AI. So pwede mo i-turn on. Then pagdating dito, pwede mo kalikot yung mga settings. These are some of the settings that you want. So shutter sound, i-turn off lang natin. Pwede natin i-turn on ng watermarks. Add content. Normally, nilalagay ko ang aking pangalan. Pagdating naman sa video, gusto natin makita ko ano mga resolution ng kaya na. So this one can only shoot up to 1080p. Not quite sure kung ilan FPS dahil wala siya nakasulat. Meron. Andito nakasulat 60 FPS. So this one, you can shoot maximum of 1080p, 30 FPS, and no longer above that. 720, 60 FPS nga lang. So you can also use the 50MP mode Especially when you're outdoors, I guess mas maganda pag ito gamitin natin mode. Then you can also take in some live photo, depende sa inyo, dahil there are some times na live photo can a little bit be more dramatic. There's also night mode over here, which I believe na should enhance yung photo, especially sa gabi. So guys, those are probably my first few impression dito sa phone na ito. And I can say outright na maganda ka ng form factor. I love the feel sa likod niya, smooth na smooth. Wala ako problem hawakan tong phone na ito, no? And siguro pag nilagyan natin ng case, might be a little bit better. So, ganito itsura niya, no? With case. Yan. Ganda, kitang-kita pa rin ang likod. Kasi clear na clear ang kanyang case. So guys, inaanyayahan ko kayo mag-subscribe and of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para makita nyo ang full review nitong vivo T1x in the succeeding days to come. And of course, if you like this video, paki-share lang sa inyong mga friends and family para makita nila ang ganda nitong vivo T1x at the same time. If you want to watch more of my videos, don't forget to check out my playlist. And ako nga pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?